This is a 5,000 lumens, 1800 milliamp remote control single solar light for garage, basements, attics, and more with a solar panel. From Flumy, we're going to open up the package, show you what you get inside the box. We pull out a remote control, 3 modes, an instruction guide to go over about your product, with brackets and angles, hardware to install, the LED and base with an on and off switch. When you press on, it lights up into the 3 modes, and off with the PIR sensor and 120-degree angle. With the 2x4-inch solar array with about 10 feet of cable and the plug to attach a DIN cable and an additional bracket. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to place on the bracket to the area over here at the workbench and show you what it looks like hung up. Hanging in the panel is simply sliding over the bracket and adjusting to the sun. Running the cord and the additional light hanging up. With an option to put the solar array on the top of the unit or hanging onto the wall like so. We're able to adjust our light down and hook our cable up and secure for waterproof. With the option to place onto the LED light fixture, simply align up and lock into place and adjust to the sun. Turn the unit on, and we could go off and on with the remote control. Mode number 1. Lights up, and after a number of seconds without motion, we either dim down or shut off. After 30 seconds, the lights are off. When detects motion, lights up. Motion number 2. Lights up at a lower percentage. When detects motion, it would light up and then dim back down after 30 seconds. It dims down, lights up, and motion number 3 stays at a dim level for a number of hours, dusk to dawn. This is the lowest settings for the longest conservative time. And then you shut the unit off or come over and shut the unit off by the switch. Allow the unit to charge for the first time in the sun. The 1800 milliamp will take 6 to 8 hours to charge and run 12 to 14 hours. We're going to hook our unit up outside and show you what the unit is about, like so. In the evening hours, we'll show you what the LED solar security light looks like. In the evening hours, dusk to dawn, the light will automatically turn on, and we have it in the off position. Turning in the on position, after 30 seconds, the light will dim down when we hit mode number 1. As mode number 1 is set, the LEDs are lit. When they either turn off or 30%, we'll walk over to the sensor and show you how it picks up with the PIR. The light is off, detects motion in the sensor's range, it turns on. We'll go to mode number 2. I'll show you what it looks like after 15 to 30 seconds when it's off. At mode number 2, it dims down. As we walk towards the sensor area, it will light up. And then the last one is dusk to dawn setting. That will stay on from dusk to dawn. This is how the light works. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is right for you, put it by the garage, the front, the back, by the boatyard, where the RV's at. Take it camping with you. Put it up on a tree. It detects motion, lights up, may be the product you're looking for, in the solar security light system. Thank you for viewing.